Hello and welcome to the first serious cooking video on this channel. Today we'll be learning how to make a delicious, easy stir fry. What you'll need is 2 carrots, half an onion, 1 red pepper, about this much ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, half a courgette, half a block of tofu, tamari, or any soy sauce will work fine, and some olive oil. So first we're going to chop up the tofu into nice little squares, and then we're going to put it in a bowl and fill up the bowl with tamari so that it's just about half submerging the tofu. Next, we're going to take the half an onion, chop it up into small pieces, and put it into a wok or frying pan to soak in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're going to take the 2 carrots, chop off the ends, and then cut them into short, thin sticks. And then put them to the side for now. Next, we're going to take the half a courgette and do the same thing that we did with the carrots, cutting it into small, short sticks. Now we'll take the red pepper, remove the stem and all of the white bits, and then cut it into small strips and put it to the side with the rest. Then we're going to take the ginger and grate it on the biggest holes on the grater. Next, we're going to take the 2 cloves of garlic, peel the skin off, and crush them in a garlic crusher. So, now we've got all the ingredients chopped up, and we're ready to turn on the cooker and start heating up the onion. We're going to put it onto the highest heat and keep stirring the onion for 30 seconds. Now we're going to add the carrot, courgette, ginger, and garlic, and then continue stirring for another 2 minutes. Then add the red pepper and stir for 2 more minutes. And finally, turn the heat down to low to medium heat and add the tofu and tamari or soy sauce and continue to stir for yet another 2 minutes. Now we're ready to serve it up. Very tasty.